He laughed on the alien. Big Kevin is already knowing with my man Jan, because it's been long time that my Jan is subscribe the channel of Big Kevin, and he was already long time ago. He was there. They'll say hi like that, and then a couple things what the Big Kevin topic like that, but he did not making trouble there. He only go there and say hi, like supported the host, like that. That's why Big Kevin notice of what the attitude on my man, the way it go live stream, visiting on the live stream. I'm sure the puppet got mad over me. He mad. He mad. He mad. Oh. It's really insulting on you, alien, because you longing in the Big Kevin live or the channel of Big Kevin, and Big Kevin never give you a moderator. So meaning to say, Big Kevin noticed that you're a mental problem. Very insulting, because my man Jan Bunbin is a moderator there, but oh, imagine take a look that one, analyzing it. My Jan Bunbin is not removing you there or kick your ass there. He let the host to the one who kick, not him. That you keeping blah 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 there. Then there's something I know that the alien now get mad. I know that the alien tried to go live maybe today or later. He trying to go live and say, he barking.